you want to make some real good money, then this is the video for you. Because I'm going to show you exactly how to make money using TikTok if you have 0 followers. Yes, I mean it, with no followers, zero, nada, nil. All right, that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, this Cash by Cheetahs, feel free to subscribe to the channel, click on the bell button, subscribe, share this video if anybody you think this might help, and let's jump into it. Let me show you exactly how you can make money in 2025 and beyond with your Instagram if you have zero followers and you don't really have anything to sell. Now let's go. This is exactly what we need to do. The first thing to do is understand, what are you going to do with TikTok. There's a thing that TikTok has that is called TikTok Creative Program Beta. Now what is that? Let's come and read. All right, it's simple. We don't need to go elsewhere. TikTok will tell us what it's all about. So let's read. Now, what is this about? What is this program about? The TikTok Creative Program is newly designed reward feature for creators to monetize their content. Simple. All right. If you're a creator, you can monetize your content using TikTok. Don't worry. Remember, I said 0 followers. So watch video to the end. I'm going to show you exactly how to make that happen. Now, again, even if you're not a content creator, no problem. I got you. All right. So let's go. So the next thing you need to do now is let's just go and see what you need to join this program. Because obviously this program is not for everybody. If it's for everybody, then that means everybody will be a millionaire. All right. So let's go. So who can join this program? This is it here. Who can join this beautiful, amazing program? So this is what it's saying. You have to reside in the country where this is available. Yeah. Available. And I'm telling you not to use VPN, but guys, please use VPN. All right. I'm saying it boldly. Use VPN. However, use a strong VPN. The reason why I tell you not to use VPN is that some of you make the mistake. You have a VPN on, for example, you have something like Windscribe on. Then before you know it, you mistakenly access your TikTok account without putting on your VPN. And before you know it, they catch you and you're out. So make sure you are either using an account that is not in is in the countries that are allowed to do this. For now, not all countries, at least when recording this video, not all countries can opt in for the creative program beta. However, this is it. You have to be in the country that they need. Another thing again is you have to have 10,000 authentic followers. This is it. Authentic, meaning no bots. Don't go out and buy followers. All right. You will not be able to utilize this platform. This program, if you don't have authentic followers. Again, like I said, don't worry. Sit down, sit pretty. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to hit and start making money with this program, even if you don't have 0 followers. All right. The next thing is that you need to have 100,000 authentic video views. 100,000 authentic video views. Now, with this one, there's a way about it. You can go, you can make videos and run what I call a promo ad or a boost ad on TikTok. If you use a boost ad on TikTok, you can hit this 100,000 authentic views. It's not difficult to hit this number. It's very easy. Just spend a few bucks. You'll be able to hit this. But again, like I said, don't worry. I'm going to show you exactly how you get there. Next thing is that your account on platform is not a business account. So you don't have to switch your account on TikTok from private to business. It has to be personal or private. If it's business, then this cannot work for you. You're not an employee of TikTok, obviously. I'm sure you're watching this video, you're not an employee. If you're an employee, you know how this works. And what else? Your account on the platform is in good standing with terms of service. You have not broken any of the services. If you don't know what that terms of service is, please go and read it. Read it very carefully. This can really hurt or break you. And you don't have to pay anything. This is also what I'm going to show you. You're right. Participation is free. You don't have to pay anything. But please note, once you shift from creative fund to creative program beta, you will not be able to revert back to creator fund. I'm going to make another video later what creator fund is. Don't go there yet. But please know that once you pick this option, you are going to stay here. Right? There's no going back. But don't worry, you still make money from this. Okay? Now, what if I shift to this program? Like I said before, if you shift, you get rewarded, but then you cannot shift back. So now let's go to the juicy part. How do you now do this without having followers? Like I said, you need to have 10,000 authentic followers. And this is what you simply do. This is like I've talked about a lot in this channel. So you simply come on this website. All right. Now with this website, you can easily do this. You can easily get a TikTok account, right, that has 10,000 followers already. Guys, that's it. You don't have to build anything from scratch. come here, buy a TikTok account from somebody or from some people who already have thousands of TikTok followers, authentic ones. Right? If you don't know how to do this and you want us to help you do it, let me know in the comment section. I can help you get a TikTok account that's genuine, that's authentic, but then you have to spend some money to buy them. But let's now see. Buy your TikTok account like you can see here and YouTube channels, meaning you can simply just come here and buy TikTok. So I'm going to restrict your mind here. Don't look at the YouTube one for now. Right here, TikTok account. All right. So if we scroll here and look, we'll see that you have several accounts here. We have this one for 6.6 thousand followers. This has 381,000. So this account already beats what we are talking about. Let me go back to where we were. You see, it said you have about 10,000. But if you check here, we already see that this person has about 381,000. But then it's expensive. It's about $3,000. If you have the funds for it, guys, I advise you opting for this. If you have the funds for it, if you don't have the funds for it, no problem. We could check other ones. But then if you come on here, you see another account here. This account here is a very fair account. This has 21,000 followers, and they said they needed 10,000 followers. All right. Now, see, this account is US fully open TikTok shop creator affiliate US whatever, meaning the address or the location of this account works for you, because remember, the where you are or where you live or where your account is being operated matters if you want to join the creative program. So please take note of that. But this person is telling you that they already have 21,000 followers, and they are already operational in the US. Okay, now there's a way you need to make sure that these guys are not giving you bot followers. Okay, now sometimes you'll be wondering, why are these guys selling this account? Some people have several accounts. For example, I have some accounts. I have about 3 of TikTok accounts. I don't sell my personal account, but I buy. Okay, I buy and I also sell. If you want to know how to get into the business of buying and reselling TikTok accounts, watch the video that pops in your screen now, and you'll see how that works. But this is what it is. We've seen the price already. The price is about $190, but now this is a 21,400 followers. These are the screenshots of the account. If you click on it, we will see the pictures of the account. TikTok shop account, get paid to discover, blah, blah, blah. All right. Let's close this, open the next one. Okay. You see, join creator marketplace. Be at least what about all of this, just to show you that this account is a bit. So take your time to go through all of the TikTok shop, promote products, apply. You are eligible to apply. This is what I want you to see. You are eligible to apply, meaning that you can apply with this account. It's easy, guys. You can start making money with this account immediately. And it's just $190. All right. That's more money because this account is yours for life. For life. You can end up reselling it if you want to. You can send it to an individual, or you can sell it on the platform I talked about in that video that will pop in, either this video now that is on your screen or the one that will show that you'll be led to after the end of this video. Let's go to the next picture to see what else we'll see. All right, account standing healthy. Your account is a good standing. So you can come here and buy an account, guys, start making money immediately. Right? So this is it. This is how you do it. You come on here and you buy. Now, an account that has about, where's the followers? About 21,000 followers here. This kind of account definitely would have about 100,000 views. But if for some reason don't have, then you can do what I call boost ads or boost posts, and then you can get all of this attraction, this number. But look at something that you can also do. This is the contact the seller. Contact the seller as the seller, please. Are your views up to 100,000? And are they authentic? These are questions you need to ask so that you are in safe hands. You know, you're not buying an account that will be useless to you. Okay? Because the reason you are doing this is because of the affiliate community program beta that you want to aim for. Right? Now, another thing you should also take note of when you're trying to get an account like this is check if they accept escrow payment. And if you don't know what escrow payment is, now let's go on Google so you see for yourself what escrow payment is. Escrow payments system or meaning. So you see, just read it. It's a financial arrangement where a neutral third party hold the fund on behalf of two parties involved for a transaction until specific conditions are met. Simple. Don't want you to see this. This is what escrow is. So meaning that you don't have to pay this person directly. You'll pay the third party, and the third party is this website. I'm going to leave the link in the description. Feel free to use it. The third party, this website will hold the funds until everything is met, until you have the account to yourself, until all of the information has been changed, until you find out the account is good to go. They're going to hold the money for you. Then when everything is all right, they pay the money to this person. And now they can't show you, the unfortunate thing is that they cannot show you the account here for you to go use. But the good thing is that if you look at this account, the account has something like affiliates at the end of it, meaning it's account like on the affiliate space, in that region. So if you're looking into getting to the affiliate marketing, also using this TikTok program I've talked about, then please go and buy an account like this. Buy it and use it for your business. And when you have an account like that, you'll be able to apply for this and make consistent money every single month. Now, if you can take your time to go read all of this, you'll see exactly what they are all about. What videos can collect rewards here? It must be a minute. See it here? It must be a minute longer. All right. Then it must reach 1,000 qualified views. Like I said, you could run promo ads to get that happen. It is not a duet or a stitch video. It's not a photo mode video. It's not an advertisement, paid promotion, sponsored content, original content produced entirely by the creator. Meaning also all of this you can make happen. If you want me to show you how to make content, your original content for yourself without videoing yourself like a camera in a camera like I'm doing, but just passively. So this is exactly what you need to do, guys, to get off on a great start using this program. All of these qualifications you can meet, even if you don't have any followers. Like I said, you can go buy followers and just simply jump on this and make a lot of money doing this. Having a TikTok account is as an asset at the moment. You see people selling theirs. You have one for yourself. You can use to do a lot of business, which can eventually be very useful to you at the long run. So invest in this now if you can. If you don't want to go on the website I talked about, the link is in the description. If you want us to help you get a good account, because some of these accounts can be fake. Yes, some of the accounts can be fake, meaning the followers might not be authentic, the views might not be authentic, and this can bounce you out of the program. But for you to get the right type of followers and views, then by all means, let me know in the comment section and I can point you in the right direction or hold your hand how to get that, how to make that happen. This is Cast by Cheetahs. Hope you got value from this video. If you did, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell button. So those are the three things I need you to do. And the first thing you need to do is share this with anybody you think this might help. Put it on your WhatsApp status, share it on your group, send to friends and family. Anybody you think this might help, because we live in a time where we all need an extra cash. Matter of fact, we all need to live independently, regardless of where we are, what country we are, or where we find ourselves. Thank you for watching the video to this point. And if you're serious about making some real good cash, so that you can end your 9 to 5, you can get the dream house, get the dream car that you want, I recommend you watch this next video. Thank me later because it's going to change your life. Thank you once more. See you in the next one.